day in the life of a Filipina na palamunin ng asawang afam. Hi. Hi, sir.
Hi, miss.
How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm also fine. What are you doing?
I washed my clothes. Now I'm going.
Oh, okay. Are you alone?
Yeah. You want to go in my underwear?
What the heck? Ay! Who is this?
Who are you?
Hi! Who are you? Why are you here?
Go away!
Why are you here? We go swimming later.
Letter.
Later. Hello? Are you the cleaning man?
Yes.
The cleaner?
Yes, miss. Can I do something for you?
Yes, please.
What do you want to clean?
Can you clean the toilet bowl?
Again?
Because you were pooping there.
I'm sorry, miss. I cannot hold it any longer. Open in your ball.
Look, naglimpyo. He is cleaning. Kabutan ba? Sana all.
I'm against Corona.
Tell me who's that girl?
Against.
Tell me who's that girl?
Maybe it's better to call back in another time, maybe.
Yeah, Eric, you don't have... Yeah, I'm sorry to bother you at this time. You don't have to worry, Eric. I won't keep you long on the phone, okay? I'll be very quick. Actually, we are almost done. Alright? So, Eric, I don't want to take too much of your time. What I would like to do is match you with an advisor from one of our affiliated companies and arrange for them to contact you and explain more about investment opportunities in the U.S. banking sector, okay? Fair enough, right?
Yeah, but I'm not really interested anyway. So I would like to say to you have a nice day and hope you have better luck with your next client. So goodbye.
It's like a computer, right?
Yeah.
Is it scam?
Maybe.
Okay, alright.
Tata, we hebben nog steeds bezig, hè?
I think that's
Ik moest ook mijn telefoonnummer invullen hier, dus zijn gelijk bellen natuurlijk.
Oh, benar.
Maar het is een Nederlandse nummer.
Ja, Nederlandse naam.
Ja.
En ze praten Engels.
De bel is 0. En de deur gaat... Ja.
Gaan we gelijk de towel pakken, hala?
Nee.
But we go to the beach.
Je moet eerst geld hebben.
Dan we komen terug hier dan.
We moeten het uit de...
Ja, maar we hebben toch een...
We kunnen wel eerst...
Oké.
Heb je het even pakken?
Ha?
Mijn foto maken. Deze is even waar ik goed.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Mom.
Perfect actor. Matuto sa beach. Let's go. Yeah.
In my mom's bijna in the kitchen.
Sorry. Listen me.
Ano yung do?
Sorry. Kaya, let me meron kang tao dito.
Weird.
That's okay.
Yeah.
영훈아 보이잖아요. 엄청나게 캡처하죠. 되게 빨라요.
Yay, mut med destuk dia ito.
생각하는 아마 먹을 거예요. 언젠가 나올 거예요.
That's Bluebee's favorite. Sarap. Joke lang. Okay, this is my food. Yeah, okay.
Eén. Twee.
Hey, scout. Okay, here is good.
Hey, Mama, I got filmer.
Buzo.
Helemaal rond. Zijn we daar voor in de
Ja, we gaan ook naar de andere. En 2, 3. Wow. Kijk.
Ik had dat meteen aangekomen.
Je moet aan de kant. Kom maar hier, achter hem. Oké. Oh, helemaal onder.
snel omhoog.
Als ik omhoog zie. Ja. Okay, so we are here in the swimming pool. This is the beach. It's nice. Here is deserted. Here is desert of the swim.
Maar vandaag was hoog water. Morgen is het laag water. En dan kan je wel verder in de zon. Dan snel het niet.
Yeah. Okay. At ga je doen? Hello mga guwaps, nakabalik na nga pala kami sa aming room and mamaya pupunta kami sa labas mag tingin-tingin kasi may mga may mga shops doon sa beach. Tapos kakain na din kami ng dinner doon and hindi kami naligo doon sa masyado sa beach kasi tuk-tuk. Wala. Kasi okay naman yung beach, lang yung dagat medyo maalon tapos may mga parang may bato ba. Pero yun nag-decide na lang kami na dyan sa swimming pool maligo. And andito kami sa pala mga guwap sa Tawala, Hennan Resort Tawala. Tapos yung isa merong Hennan Resort Alona. Hennan Alona Resort. So dito kami sa Tawala and hindi kami pwedeng mag-swimming doon sa swimming pool ng Alona, Hennan Alona. So sa Tawala lang kami pwede, pero pwede kaming gumamit ng yung beach bed, parang bed ba yun. Tapos pwede din kami mag-order ng pagkain sa sa restaurant, ganyan. So ayan mga guwaps, ngayon pupunta tayo sa labas magpasyal kasi gabi. So titingnan natin ang nights and Alona Beach. Okay, bye.